So Emedin, now I am going to share a screen. Then
Okay.
I will help you with this. Can you see this?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Simplest to simpler. Work, dance, sleep, play. Yes.
You know, when we tell something, somebody to do something, means when we give instruction to somebody, then we start with verb. Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
If I tell you
What?
to watch, if I tell you to watch TV, if I tell you to watch TV, then I will not say you. I will say only work.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
the yes. So the minimum instruction can be done through one word. That is verb. One word.
Okay.
And then you can add another word also. Like you have to make it more difficult, then you can make more and more difficulty by adding more and more words to it. But I am just starting simple, so this one is simplest. If you tell somebody to eat, then you can just say eat, because you is hidden. You is understood that we are talking to you.
You, okay.
Okay, so then we can add, either we say work, or we can say work hard, or we can say work hard every day. Do you understand this?
Understand.
So if I say dance, then we will say dance wonderfully. We can add some more word to it. Okay, sleep, then sleep
Okay.
well. We can make it longer. Now if we want to make it more long, then sleep well in the night. What point I am trying to make is that whenever we tell somebody to do something, then the shortest sentence will be verb. The shortest, even one word sentence is possible. And here see, work is there, but you is hidden. If I tell you to work, then means I am telling you, but you is hidden, because it is not needed. It is understood. It is understood that I am talking to you only, because we can talk to second person. We cannot talk to third person. Understand? So you is not here. We are starting the sentence, this instruction sentence, with the verb and the first form of the verb. Okay, work, dance, sleep, go, come, play, take, read, write, listen. Like every day I tell you, listen videos. I tell you, listen all the audio stories over and over again. I tell you, these are long sentences. Listen audio story again and again. This is very long. But the shortest one is listen. Okay, now you, these are my sentences. Now you have to make your sentences like this. Can you make some sentence with right?
Right, beautiful.
This is my sentence. This is not your. You have to make your sentence.
Write new sentences.
Can you please repeat?
Write new sentences.
Write new sentences. It is very good. Okay. Now, okay, with work, how will you make work?
Work do every day.
Work, do every day. No.
No.
Work every day.
Work every day. Work every day.
Or work continuously. Or work wholeheartedly. Work with full dedication.
Dedication.
Understand?
Okay.
Okay, next,
Understand.
dance.
Dance. Dance and playing.
Dance,
And playing.
dance and play.
And play. Dance
Yes.
and play.
Dance and play. Or dance on the stage. Dance for half an hour.
Dance. Okay.
We can make
Understand.
different sentences. Okay, now
Okay.
sleep. Now sleep.
I sleep very well. No, very well.
Oh,
Sleep,
no.
no. Sleep. I sleep 2 hours.
Sleep
2 hours.
Okay, sleep for 2 hours.
Sleep
Or
for 2 hours.
Or we can say sleep with your grandson.
Yeah, sleep with you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, next one is play. Now you have to make sentence. Play.
Play with my grandson.
Okay, play with my grandchild. Okay, when I will come to Sarajevo, I will definitely play with your grandchild. Okay, next one is take.
Take a bath.
I have already written take shower. Take shower and take bath, same.
Take food. Take food for my breakfast.
Take food. Okay, take breakfast. Okay, good. Take this pen. Understand? Okay, next one.
Understand? Yes.
Read.
I read the newspaper.
Can you please repeat, Medina? I could not hear.
Read my messages.
Read my name.
My name.
Okay, correct. Any other sentence?
Write new book.
Write.
New book.
Write 1 page, maybe.
Write 1 page. Write 1 page. Okay.
Write 1 essay.
Write
1
essay.
important points.
Yes.
Okay, last one. Listen.
Listen YouTube every day.
Okay, listen. Okay. I mean, and that is correct. So listen audio story on YouTube every day.
Listen audio story. Okay. Okay.
Listen to
Okay.
Listen to your dad. Listen to classical music.
Yes.
So you have understood. Whenever you tell people to do something, then the shortest sentence can be 1 word sentence. Because this is instruction, it can be 1 word sentence. So you can say go, come, sleep, eat. But when you want to make it a little long, 2 word sentence, then you can make it like just adding 1 word. You can add more than 1 word. You can add 3 words, but after the verb. Always remember after the first. You cannot say hard work. You cannot say wonderfully dance. You can. You have to say like this: first verb, and then you can add another word. The instruction can very long, but just because we are starting one, so at least one word instruction. One word instruction. But when we make negative sentences, then we will do don't work, don't dance, don't sleep, don't play, don't take, don't read, don't write, don't listen. When we make negative sentence, then we add don't. We always add don't. Okay. Don't read too fast. If we have to make negative sentence in the instruction, if we have to make positive sentence, then we will start with work. And if we have to make negative sentence, we will start with don't.
Don't. Yes, understand.
Okay, so I think that it is helpful for you. So you must make some more sentences like this, and then you can mail me. I will check it, and then I will send it back to you.
Oh, okay, Preeti. Okay.
And then I think that this kind of session, if we do every day, then it will definitely help you.
Okay, understand. Okay. See you.
Okay. Okay, everybody.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.